Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to check WhatsApp account hacked or not. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to WhatsApp apps. Next, tap on three dot icon. After that, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Tap on chats. Go down. Next, tap on chat backup. You can see that Google account. Tap on Google account and select your Gmail. Now go back. Again tap on three dot icon. Tap on your linked device. Again go back. Tap on three dot icon. Tap on setting. Next tap on account. You can see that request account info. Tap on this. You can see here two options: request account report and request channel report. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.